Divide 793 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 4. So again we put down this 3 and it is 43. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 793 divided by 5 is 158.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.